Hi, welcome. So in this video I'm gonna show you how to share Google Docs with others. Okay. I'm sorry, with others. So for example, this is your file. Okay, so you just need to click this share button on the upper right corner of your screen. After you click that, you can name your file whatever you want. So I'll just name it tutorial. Tutorial. Okay, then click save. Then right here on the text box, as you can see, you can add their emails and they will have access to this file. Then below here you can see copy link, and copy link means you have Google Docs will give you a link, then you can send that to your friends. But as you can see here, it is restricted. Only people with access can open with the link. But you can change that by clicking the down arrow and clicking anyone with the link. So by clicking anyone with a link, you can see here anyone on the internet with a link can view. So if you want the others will have the ability to comment or edit on your profile, just click or just pick whatever you want here. Okay, so if you want this file to share with others, just click copy link, and then you can send this to their Gmail, group chats, whatever you want. So, and also right here you have the settings button. Okay, you have two boxes, right? So the first one, we have editors can change permissions and share. If you want that, just leave it like that. If you don't want it, just uncheck it. And then the second one is viewers and commenters can see the options to download, print, and copy. If you want that, just leave it like that, and if you don't, just unclick it. Okay, so that's it. Once you are done, once you add their email, or once you change this option, and when you're happy with it, just click done, and that's all. You're done. And I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. Thank you.